big air conditioner. It's old too, so it sucks some juice. You can see the cord going all the way down there. Sorry, I don't have one more out in the open. And comes out to the extension cord. And then let me get down this ladder. Out to the generator. Got the AC cranking on high. You can even turn this on eco throttle with that air conditioner on high, and it's still just running just as smooth. And I'll show you how it's running. Watch, I'll take it off. Now watch, whenever I plug it back in, you'll hear it kind of bog down, but then get back right. Okay. Now watch. The eco throttle will kick in and it slows back down, and the AC is still blowing cold. So to answer your question, yes, it'll definitely run a good size window unit.